Did you know that financial statement frauds cost businesses a median loss of $600,000? Are you worried about overstated expenses or improper disclosures in your financial statements? If manual verification is causing you headaches with lengthy timelines, human errors, and data redundancy, stick around. In this video, you'll discover how a bank statement verification software can revolutionize your financial processes, reduce risk, and significantly improve your operational efficiency. Hello everyone, I'm Stacy from Docsumo. Today we're exploring how Docsumo's document AI platform can revolutionize your bank statement verification process. With rising fraud risk and operational inefficiencies plaguing manual processes, organizations like yours need better alternatives. You're looking for solutions that not only reduce risk, but also increase cost savings and improve efficiency. That's exactly what we're going to cover today. We'll show you how switching to Docsumo's automated verification process can help you overcome these challenges and unlock advantages that are simply impossible with traditional methods. So let's get started and see how our intelligent document AI solution can transform your financial data processing. First, let's break down why you need bank statement verification software and how it works. Manual bank statement verification isn't just slow, it's risky. You're dealing with the potential for fraud, human errors, and inefficiencies that can cost your business dearly. Imagine catching discrepancies before they become a $600,000 problem. That's the power of automation. With Docsumo's bank statement verification software, you'll capture crucial financial data quickly and accurately. This means you can make informed decisions based on reliable information. If you're in lending, you'll streamline loan applications and credit assessments, reducing your risk exposure significantly. Remember those PDFs that give you headaches? Or the hours spent trying to extract data from complex tables? Maybe you're dealing with multiple statement formats from different banks. Docsumo's IDP solution tackles all of these challenges head-on. Let me walk you through how Docsumo helps verify bank statements. First, you'll upload your bank statements to our secure platform. It's as simple as drag and drop. Our powerful document AI platform then converts these documents into a format that computers can read and analyze. Next, our advanced algorithms extract all the key information. We're talking about account numbers, transactions, balances, and even detecting unusual patterns that might indicate fraud. We then automatically validate this data, ensuring 99% accuracy. No human intervention is needed thanks to Docsumo's straight-through processing of bank statements. This step alone can save you hours of manual work. Finally, you'll review and approve the extracted data. Don't worry about errors. Our system flags any exceptions for you to check manually. Here's what makes Docsumo special. Our solution can extract data from over 200 different formats of bank statements with 100% accuracy. What's more, our system continuously learns new formats, extracting data from them with 99% accuracy, ensuring we can handle virtually any bank statement you encounter. This reduces processing time from days to just minutes. Plus, our system continuously learns and improves, integrating seamlessly with your existing tools like QuickBooks, Xero, and Zapier. Let me tell you about one of our clients, Grid Finance, an Ireland-based income verification company. They were struggling to process 90 to 100 loan applications monthly, spending 5,000 euros on manual creditworthiness checks. After implementing Docsumo's solution, they achieved over 93% touchless processing, freeing up 50+ man-hours every month and saved 5,000 euros per month in processing costs. This dramatic improvement allowed their team to focus on strategic tasks and make faster, data-driven loan decisions. I know security is a top concern when it comes to financial data. That's why we've made sure our system is SOC 2 certified and GDPR compliant. Your sensitive financial information is protected with the highest standards of security and privacy. By automating your bank statement verification, you're not just saving time and reducing errors, you're freeing up your team to focus on what really matters: analyzing the data, spotting trends, and making strategic decisions. You're turning a time-consuming, error-prone process into a strategic advantage for your business. So there you have it. That's how the bank statement verification software can transform your financial processes. Are you ready to say goodbye to manual verification headaches and hello to efficiency and accuracy? Click the link in the description to book a demo with us today. We can't wait to show you how much time, money, and stress you'll save. And hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty more videos coming up to help you streamline your document processing and stay ahead in the world of finance. Thanks for watching, and remember, in the world of financial data, automation isn't just an option, it's a necessity. See you in the next video.